Your first job feels like freedom. Your own money, your own choices. And finally, you can buy whatever you want. But here's the trap. Most people spend like there's no tomorrow in their first year, and then they wonder where all the money went. I made those same mistakes. Online shopping sprees, eating out almost daily, and upgrading gadgets I didn't need. It felt great. Until I had to borrow money by the 20th of every month. That's when I realized earning money isn't the flex, saving money is, so I flipped the script. I started following the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for fun, and 20% strictly for savings or investments. First, I built a small emergency fund. Even 5,000 rupees makes a huge difference. Then I began tracking every rupee. I canceled subscriptions I wasn't using, found joy in saving, not spending. And today, even after splurging on travel and new gadgets, I managed to save 20% of my income. In this video, I'll share the practical, no-fluff money-saving tips that helped me take control of my finances right from my first job. These aren't boring finance lectures. These are real-world hacks from managing rent and bills to automating savings and resisting peer pressure to live large. If you've just started earning, this is the one video you need to watch to get ahead while everyone else is falling behind. Here are 5 things you can do right now to start saving more. No. 1. Automate your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your salary is automatically saved or invested before you even see it. This is the easiest way to make sure you're setting money aside each month. Open a new savings account and set up a direct transfer from your salary account. You won't even notice the money is missing because it's happening behind the scenes. Number 2. Track your expenses. Use a budgeting app to categorize your spending. Knowing where your money is going helps you spot areas where you can cut back. You'll be surprised how much you spend on subscriptions you don't use. Coffee, we're looking at you. No. 3. Negotiate your bills. Call your internet, phone, and insurance providers to negotiate better rates. Many companies will offer you discounts. If you threaten to switch providers, you can also bundle services like internet and TV to save money. Number 4. Buy secondhand. Consider buying used items like furniture, electronics, and even clothes. You can find great deals on websites and apps like Quicker, OLX, Facebook Marketplace. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be reducing waste. No. 5. Cook at home. Eating out is expensive and often unhealthy. Cook your meals at home to save money, and you'll have control over what you eat. Meal prep on Sundays to make your life easier during the week. You can also ask your roommate to chip in for groceries. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, what's the best money-saving tip you've ever heard?